Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be creating this soft, dewy, peachy nude makeup look on my dusky skin. To create this look, I'll be using a bunch of Kiro Beauty makeup products. Kiro Beauty is a homegrown clean beauty brand. They are 100% vegan, cruelty-free and paraben-free. Kiro Beauty makeup products are also formulated with really good natural ingredients such as mango seed oil, avocado oil, argan oil and jojoba oil. And not only that, they are formulated with many other natural ingredients in them, which is really safe for the skin, as well as it also adds some skincare benefits as well. Now without wasting any more time, if you want to know how I achieve this beautiful dewy peachy nude makeup look, then please do continue watching. Starting off with the eye makeup, I'm taking the Kiro Long Wear Brightening Eyeshadow Stick in the shade Peachy Gold, which is such a stunning peachy gold shade as the name suggests. It's very creamy and easy to work with and blend on the eyes. So I'm just gonna apply the eyeshadow stick all over the eyelids under the crease. This eyeshadow stick is infused with vitamin C and mango seed oil, which really helps in tightening and firming the eye area. And I'm just going to use my ring finger to blend out the edges, since you really don't need any tools whatsoever to apply and blend this eyeshadow. Also, this eyeshadow stick is crease proof and water resistant. Then I'm going to take another eyeshadow stick from the same range, and this is in the shade Lunar Champagne, which is a very cool toned champagne color. Again, it's very creamy, just like the other eyeshadow, and easy to work with and blend on the eyes. So I'm just going to use this eyeshadow stick to sort of highlight the inner corners of my eyes to bring a bit of brightness on the inner corners. The next product is the Glow On Blush Duo. This is in the shade 04. It has two different shades. One is Classic Coral and the other one is Cool Cinnamon. Again, this blush is very soft and buttery. It blends beautifully on the cheeks. This is infused with calendula oil and rosehip oil, which really helps in correcting the texture on the cheek area. So I'm mixing both the shades on the blush and applying that to the apples of my cheeks to add a nice flush of color. You can also build it up according to your liking, since it's a very buildable sort of a product. I'm taking the shade Cool Cinnamon on a blending brush and applying that on the crease area, just to make sure that the makeup look is cohesive. Also applying the same blusher to the outer corners of my eyes. Next, I'm taking the Prism Perfect Highlighter from Kiro. This is formulated calendula oil and rosehip oil, and it's such a beautiful shade. This is in the shade 01 Sandy Rose and Pearly Bronze. Just like the blusher, this has also two different shades in it. So I'm taking the more peachier shade, which is called Sandy Rose, and applying that to the tops of my cheekbones. This is a beautiful finely milled highlighter. You can build it up according to your liking again, whether you want a lighter glow or an intense bang on glow on the skin. It applies and blends so effortlessly on the skin. I'm also trying to highlight the bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow and my brow bone area. Moving on to the lips, I'm taking the Kiro Non-Stop Airy Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Cinnamon Nude, which is such a pretty true nude color. Again, this is a very thin and liquidy formula, but it has so much of pigmentation to it and feels super lightweight and comfortable. So I'm applying that liquid lipstick all over the lips, and here you will see how smooth and even the liquid lipstick applies on my lips. This is formulated with apricot oil as well as avocado to protect and repair the skin on the lips and to keep it hydrated at the same time. So this is the final finished look. So this is the final finished peachy nude makeup look on my dusky skin. All the Kiro Beauty makeup products that I use in today's video are top notch in quality. I absolutely love them. They are extremely well pigmented and blend beautifully on the skin. Love their packaging. They are super chic and classy, as well as they add some really good skincare benefits with all those natural ingredients present in them. The links to all the products that I use from Kiro Beauty will be listed in the description box. So this is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Make sure to hit the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Also make sure to follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. This is it. Take care of yourselves and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye. I'm also trying to highlight the bridge of the nose, cupid's bow and my brow bone area. Moving on to the lips, I'm taking the Kiro Non-Stop Airy Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Cinnamon Nude, which is such a pretty true nude color. Again, this is a very thin and liquidy formula, but it has so much of pigmentation to it and feels super lightweight and comfortable. So I'm applying that liquid lipstick all over the lips, and here you will see how smooth and even the liquid lipstick applies on my lips. This is formulated with apricot oil as well as avocado to protect and repair the lips. To protect and repair the skin on the lips and to keep it hydrated at the same time. So this is the final finished look.